Hey traders, it's 7:46 here in Brisbane on Monday, the 17th of July. And the last fight card for today is pound versus the US. And sometimes it's like that. Some weeks I sit there all alone in the ring with nothing to do, and some weeks I am spoiled for sparring choices. So last one for today, pound versus the US. So let's take a look here on the daily chart, and quite similar to euro dollar, a very strong move, so quite a weaker US dollar. And we've seen this market also going through the 1.3 like it wasn't even there. So if I go up the time frame and we'll just take a look at this level, we can see quite a strong level on this market. This is the red line, lots of touches at that level. It's also a round number, but we just smashed through it. So I like this move and I like this break. And we can also see that after breaking up, quite unlike euro dollar, we're coming into somewhat of a busy level. So I could see a push toward the high of that busy level, potentially in and around that 1.32. So the next level of support and resistance. Another element here is that I'd like to draw the Fib retracement here on the weekly chart, and we can see from the low and a beautiful uptrend, very nice clear series of high highs and higher lows, and a good convergence on the momentum indicators as well. Well, on the Fib retracement, we can see a pullback into the previous swing high. It's also going to be around the 50% retracement. So it's a nice area for a potential move. But again, just similar to euro dollar, we might not get that. So we might end up with a shallow pullback. So here as well, I'm looking for two offense area. First offense area is the 1.3. It's a shallow pullback. It's been previously level of support and resistance in this market. If and when the market will pull back into that area, it will be closer into its averages as well on the daily chart. So first line of offense, 1.3, looking for signs that buyers are ready to come back, attack this area again, and push toward the 1.2. But my preferred area and my favorite area for a potential offense is this previous high. It's the 1.28 and a half. It's also that previous swing high on the weekly chart, and we can see we touched it from below on the way up before pushing higher. So I like that area for a potential offense line. But if I won't get a pullback into that area, I will definitely consider a shallow pullback around the 1.30. Now, as for point swing, if I'll start my offense at the 1.3, I am going to be quite careful because we already moved quite a lot. I'm going to take my point win pretty near around the 1.3080 areas. So let's just mark it with this line, this light blue. And for the knockout, I'm going to look around this previous swing high. And the reason for that comes from the weekly as well. So you can see it's the high of these candles, the high that we made on the way down. So this is if the pullback is going to be shallow and into the 1.3. If, however, I'm going to get the pullback into the 1.28 and a half into this blue line and that 50% retracement on the weekly chart, then my point win is going to be just underneath the 1.3, but I'm going to keep the knockout at the same level as the previous swing high around the 1.3130. So to summarize, quite similar to euro dollar, I'm looking at two offense area, the shallow pullback in and around the 1.3. With that, I'm looking at the blue line for my point win, so 1.3080 area, and the knockout around the 1.3130, the purple line. If I'm going to get a deeper pullback into my dark blue line here at the previous swing high, the 1.2850, then I'll be looking at my point win just underneath the 1.3, the red line, and the same knockout area, which is the purple line, the 1.3130. Happy knockouts, everyone. Looking forward to a very busy and exciting week inside the ring. Bye for now.